Good evening and welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. I'm Jordan Fort. Commonwealth Games champion Daniel Thomas-Dodd improved on her shot put national record at the Virginia Challenge meet on Saturday. Thomas-Dodd threw an impressive 19.48 meters to capture the event and erase the previous national mark of 19.36 meters she had set at the Commonwealth Games in Australia last year. The distance also qualifies Thomas-Dodd for the World Championships in Doha, Qatar later this year. Thomas-Dodd is a silver medalist from the World Indoor Championships last year and finished fourth at the 2017 World Championships. Meanwhile, Olympian Shadé Lawrence recorded a national record in the discus throw at the Mount Sac Relays in California on Saturday. Lawrence threw 63.89 meters to break the old record of 62.73 set by Kellyanne Knibb in 2017. The other Jamaican in the field, Shanice Love, was third with a distance of 61.16 meters.